Welcome to maleperformanceenhancement.com and welcome to our practice. Hello, I'm Dr. Cliff Thomas. I'm very excited to share several treatments that we have to enhance male sexual performance. You know, as we age, and sometimes that begins as early as your 30s and continues throughout life, but our ability to get an erection and keep it often is unpredictable, and that can interfere with your life. And it actually doesn't make you feel as manly as you might want to feel. So we have ways to enhance that are pretty straightforward and have proven very effective results. We do 4 primary things. One is this acoustic wave machine, which I'll talk about in a minute. Another is called the P-Shot, and that's where stem cells are injected into the penis that rejuvenates the endothelium of the penis and allows it to start working at a much higher level. We also have some supplements that are very effective, but there's nothing crazy in them. It's simply arginine, citrulline, carnitine, magnesium, and zinc. Highly effective, particularly used with these other treatments. And we have a machine called the Enhanced Counterpulsation, which improves your total body perfusion of blood, and it helps in that area as well. So I'd like to share for a minute the latest and the greatest. It's very quick, it's very safe, and this is the acoustic wave. So using acoustic waves, where this basically is making a little bit of a pounding sensation, and the treatment only takes a few minutes. But basically, while you're holding the penis, we'll put this in 5 places on the top and 2 places underneath. And what that does is it makes the veins do their job better, which engorge the penis. And they improve the nitric oxide within the penis, and both causes quite a bit of rejuvenation. What we do is we do 2 treatments a week for 3 weeks, or 2 treatments a week for 6 weeks. And you can do more treatments over time, but in general, that's all you need. It is 80% effective in getting men off Cialis, Viagra, and the other medications. It's extremely effective. And it's even good for guys that are earlier in life that are just starting to have a little bit of a change in their erectile ability. And so it can be used, you don't have to wait until you're really struggling. You can use it when you just start to notice something changing. It's very non-invasive. The P-Shot sounds pretty horrible, but it really isn't. Basically, some blood is drawn. It's spun, a few things are added to it to get the platelets, which have a stem cell effect. And only about 7 cc's are injected with a very tiny needle into the penis. Believe it or not, it's non-painful. It doesn't hurt afterwards. It actually gives you a little bit increase in your girth, and it's very, very effective and can be repeated over time. It also enhances, just like the acoustic wave, if you are taking Cialis or Viagra, it's going to enhance their ability to work. So you are much more likely to have a better effect at a smaller dosage. A lot of guys really don't like the medications because they get headaches and flushing of the head and quite a few things. Well, if you take a smaller dose, you don't have near as many side effects. So it makes all this work much better. The interesting thing about the arginine, citrulline, magnesium, carnitine, and zinc combination is that really increases your libido. It's actually good for both men and women. And it's very safe. It's very good for your blood vessels. You'll take 2 capsules twice a day. Very effective when used with these other treatments. And as I mentioned, the Enhanced Counterpulsation machine, basically with that you'll come in, lay on a table, blood pressure cuffs are put on your legs, and basically you lay there and meditate for about 30 minutes while it's pumping. And it is very good. It's one of the healthiest things that people can use. So what is our process? The process is we do an office visit because we want to know what your medical history is. We want to know what your medications are, because it actually may suggest changing some of your medications that may be interfering with your performance. To back up a minute, we have the ability to do that online at the privacy of your home without having to come to the office. And it is totally HIPAA compliant, full medical record kind of database. So we can set that up online, or you can come to the office. Once we have decided which treatments that you're going to do, then you can simply come into the office to do it. The P-Shot takes about an hour to do. This takes about 15 minutes to do. The ECP machine, if you're going to do it, you'd basically be on the machine for about 30 minutes. And the supplements, we'll just simply sell those to you. And you'll notice amazing benefits very quickly. If you want to feel like yourself in the past, then come in and let's get this done.